Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to send a PDF file in WhatsApp PC. To start, you are going to open Web WhatsApp in your browser and log in. When you select the contact, click on Attach and choose the document option. After that, select the PDF and click Open. You just have to click on Send so that the recipient receives this PDF by WhatsApp. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.